Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Hakuna La Planta. My name is Kevin and today we're going to do a plant unboxing. Oh, guys, this is a big deal. So here's a box, guys. I am so excited. So North Shore Tropicals asked if they could send me some plants and I was so happy because if y'all don't know, I've been buying from them for I think 3 years. I think the first plant I ever bought from them, and y'all are not gonna believe this, the first plant I bought from them was the Monsteratii constellation, the one that y'all have seen. And just through the years, I've been very impressed and happy with, you know, how they pack their plants, how fast the plants come to you. And yeah, it's definitely a place that I recommend you go check out. They did ask like what kind of plants that I was into, and that's kind of a hard question to answer because I'm pretty open, to be honest. But we're just gonna open it. I'm so excited, guys. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna start with this side, y'all. Oh my god. Okay. So I think it looks like there's 2 plants in here, and I'll just show you how they package their stuff. So lots of packing peanuts, usually wrapped in, I guess it's like parchment or just paper, and it's usually taped down. And you can tell that she's secure, guys. I'm shaking her. So in every package, there is this info card, and it just includes some care tips and some suggestions after opening your plant. Okay, let's start out with this one, y'all. Ooh, I'm nervous. Ooh, I'm excited. I know what it is, guys. Okay, y'all are gonna think I'm crazy. Ah! Oh my god. So, y'all can see this is an Anthurium forgetii. Oh, okay. I've wanted a forgetii for so long. Every time I have the opportunity to buy the forgetii, I always buy another plant that's like either harder to find, just because I know, and there's a lot of leaves, guys. I'm just so there's a lot of leaves. Again, packaging's great as always. Okay, there's 2 forgetii in here, I think. Oh, guys, we gotta look at the roots. Look at that. Look at these roots. Look on the other side. Look at those roots. Insane. Yeah, guys, it looks like there's 2 plants. Either there's like a single stump in here and then it pushed out 2 new growths, but she is super full. I was looking at this leaf. Excuse me, it's a turtle. This is a turtle. Can you see the sparkle? Can you see it? Whoa. And then it's interesting because the second one, this is the newest leaf, and the venation looks a bit more subdued. I don't know, I'm into it because it's barely outlining, you know, throughout the leaf. It looks so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I really want to grow this one really big. There is a chance, because you know me, guys, I might cut one and like put her either in pond or LECA. Maybe I'll take the moss off and see what we're dealing with underneath. I mean, y'all saw that the roots are so healthy, guys. Look at that. And yeah, super exciting. So Anthurium forgetii. We'll put you over here. Oh, look at those turtle shells. This one's heavy. I see it. I see it. Oh, I know what this is. Oh, I know what this is. The tape is sticking all over. I know what this is, guys. Oh my god. Y'all know what this is. Y'all know what this is. Oh. This is a big one. Hello, how are you? Shut the front door. This is the Philodendron species silver. Wow. That is crazy. She has a new leaf. Look at this. I wasn't, you know, this plant wasn't really on my radar until, you know, Wildford, my girl, she kept talking about it and then she kept showing it. So it looks to me that she is she's in an aeroid mix. You know, I'm gonna try her in LECA. I am so shook, guys. Like, this is like insane. I'm so happy. This is my happy place. I haven't bought any plants. You know, I've been trying to just hold off. And so That's why I'm really excited, because like I haven't like had, new plant babies always make me excited. But this forgetii is so pretty, and look at you. So another thing that was in the box are these sheet moss poles. Basically, they come in 4 sizes. There's a mini, a small, medium, and a large. And for example, this is the mini. And so obviously this kind of honeycomb looking pattern is the place you would put your plant stems so the adventitious roots and the aerial roots can kind of grab on. And for example, just like that. And so yeah, this is the mini. So this is one of the bigger ones. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Like the mini one, I'm just folding at these creased sections. And what I like about these, you kind of get to decide how thick the pole is. So for example, if I don't want to put a lot, I would choose the last space over here and just tuck it in. Y'all know, I'm not the type to put my plants up poles. This one, I'm sorry, I like this one. This is the large one. This is a comparison, so this is the mini. And this is the large one. So yeah, I am so excited to watch these grow. I'm so excited. I finally have a forgetii. I really want a big one, guys. Like I really want this one to grow really big. And it's always interesting to see philodendrons just grow to their full potential. Thank you again to North Shore Tropicals. I will put a link in the description below. And yeah, I just love their selection. Their selection of plants is great. And I guess the next clip, I guess I'll show you, me training a plant up one of these. And so I'll see you then. So, like I said before, I am going to test out one of these moss poles. So the size that I'm using is the large one. This one I think is either 23 or 24 inches tall. And you could see that there are just places where you could fold and crease to get the desired thickness of the pole. So I'm just folding at the crease. Like I said, it looks like you can adjust the thickness or the width of the pole. So for me, I'm going to go the thinnest. So once you're at this point, I'm just gonna tuck these tabs into the slots. Okay, so one's in, and then you'll just keep going down. Okay, so here we are, guys. Now, the plant that I'm gonna use is my Philodendron branchiatum. So if y'all remember in a plant tour video, I chopped down my gigantic branchiatum, put the single leaf propagations in LECA, and this is where we're at. He looks kind of sad because honestly, the branchiatum is very, very difficult to grow without higher humidity conditions or like monitoring the plant a lot. She was doing okay in the beginning, but now that she's growing more, you can see some of the leaves are getting stuck. And when they get stuck for too long, and then you have this coloring, which I don't like. I think there's another one up here. Some of these that are unfurling up here, they're probably going to come out with holes. So having a moss pole and having like a constant kind of like micro humidity environment will just make it easier for these leaves to unfurl. And so if y'all know my dowel method with my plants in LECA, these two here are cake dowels. I zip tied them to the net pot. So here they're just zip tied. And I did this before I put the propagations in here, just because I knew I wanted to put a moss pole on it eventually. Okay, so I have 2 different sizes of wire trellis. I got these from Crystal Star Nursery. There's not a lot of tension in the bigger ones, so I'm gonna use the shorter one as a support initially. And just to maintain tension, so it offers adequate support, I'm bending it a bit wider than the width of the dowels, just so when you put it in, again, there's that tension, which will support it. So we're just gonna put that in like that. Then we're grabbing the big one. We're just putting it in the same cake dowels. If you look here, guys, this width is wider than the moss pole. So again, we're offering more tension up top here. Then let me turn the plant around. I'm gonna put it in before I put the moss, just because I think it's gonna be easier. And we're just gonna go through the bottom here, pushing the wire and just threading it through the wires. Okay, and these plastic tabs come in handy, guys. So we're just going to push through the LECA, just so there's kind of backing there. And you can see she's okay. The support is okay, but obviously once you put moss, it's going to get a little heavy. So I grabbed one of the other small wires. Again, not bending it completely, but offering some tension, just going around on each side. And this is kind of challenging, but we're just gonna go there, kind of push and bend. There we go. And push it in like that. And now you can see she is a lot more sturdy. Okay, now grab your sphagnum moss, and so I'm just going to kind of push it through the top here, and I'm just using a bamboo stake to kind of push it down. You know, if you're doing this with another medium, so for example, if you're putting this pole in soil, you could probably get away with rolling the moss first. Because this is a unique case where I need to put the wires first. Oh my god, I really like this. So right now there's probably like 5 or 6 main stems here. You probably can't see, but we're just gonna start at the bottom here. And because the stems are different lengths, I am probably tying plant tape every inch or 2 just to make sure the stem and the aerial roots are making contact. And the higher I go, I try not to go too tight because that is newer, fresher growth, which tends to be a bit more fragile. Y'all can't see, but like I said, an inch or 2 just going up the stem here. And I did run out of moss, but that's okay. I'll probably add more as the plant grows. I honestly wish the Brantiatum was easier, you know, to grow. I mean, I truly believe that it needs either a humidifier close to it, a moss pole attached to it just so it could have enough humidity for the leaves to come out unscathed. Yeah, you know, so far, I really like this moss pole, guys. Okay guys, I guess that's it. Thank you North Shore Tropicals for sending me those 2 plants. Thank you for sending me a bunch of your moss poles. I'm already impressed, and I'm really just excited to test out those moss poles on other plants. I will put a link in the description below to their website. And yeah, if you've made it to the very end, thank you guys so much. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.